All right, so there is the finished result, and just recapping what we did is that customer had previously requested doing some paint protection film or some sort of protector on the infotainment and also on the instrument cluster here, and they had purchased some DIY type material, much just like if you put a screen protector on your cell phone or a tablet, something like that, to protect from scratches, daily abuse, things like that. You're in your vehicle, you're touching it, looking at it, wiping it down and things like that. You want to minimize scratches, fingerprints, accidentals, things like that. It's expensive, it's very difficult to replace if you need to. So customer went ahead and did the infotainment center, attempted to do speedo, wasn't happy with the results. So since we have previously done work for this customer, PPF and some other things, he went ahead and trusted us to go ahead and do that. So how did we go about getting a piece of film on the instrument cluster? Well, some PPF software has cutouts for interior pieces, but not all of them. We did not have one available to us, so being resourceful, took a bulk piece of PPF material, did a initial cutout by laying the film reverse on the opening here, so using the opening as a border, did a rough cut, took that rough cut and fit it into where the actual screen is, much just like if we were doing dry fitting on window tint on the exterior of a vehicle. I did the same thing with the piece of PPF film, and then once I had it in place, I used my blue Sharpie marker and traced on the release liner of the film the actual opening of the instrument cluster, cut it out, and then sprayed very little slip solution onto the actual film itself, and used my alcohol and water tack solution to spray that onto there to minimize any water that would be getting transferred into this area, because you have to squeegee it out. So pull the PPF off, spray some slip solution on the PPF itself, spray alcohol on it because it helps it tack really quickly, install it on there, squeegee it out, and now it is nearly undetectable, where you can just kind of barely see it around the edge, and that's what it's supposed to do. So now it's protected for a long time, doesn't have to worry about it being scratched up, takes care of his truck, trusted us, we got it done. And if you have any questions or need for something like this, let us know. We can definitely take care of that for you. So just another way to protect expensive interior pieces of your vehicle or anything else. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found this a little bit helpful. Take care.